I am Karim Khalid Noman and this Plaxis 2D 3D course. Now we are in chapter 10, Shoring System for Deep Excavation. The special in this problem that we will solve it on Plaxis 3D is having two different support systems, anchor with grout and struts, and the main system is sheet by wall. My soil profile in this problem, we have four layers, actually three layers, but we have the sand twice. Okay, my first layer is fill. Okay, thickness of the layer 1 meter, the angle of internal friction 30 degree, cohesion 1 kilopascal. My soft clay 1.5 meter, the thickness, and the angle of internal friction 25 degree, the cohesion is 5 kilopascal. My sand layer, one layer, the thickness of it 8.5 and the second 9 meter, same angle of internal friction 34, same cohesion 1 kilopascal. Water level, no water level, distribution loads equal 100 kilopascal, then 2 minus 9.5 and sand and this soft clay, we put it minus 12, and this again sand and put it minus 20. Okay, and there is no water level. Okay, and press okay. This is my soil profile. Now we just finish our blue mode of soil. Let's go to another blue mode structural model. To type is elastic and the thickness equal 0.379, my gamma equal 2.55, E1 equal 1.46, E4, and this my check of my value is equal the same, G1 2 equal 7.3, E5, and press OK. Now we defined all my elements. Soil profile, I had 4 layers, fill and soft clay and sand. Sand had 2 layers. On my structural sheet by wall with 2 different support system, struts and anchor. Okay, we will get surface here and my geometry, my volume. Okay, this my volume. Now we appear my soil profile. Now we just we will disappear all element. Okay. So we click on my old building and right click and choose decomposite into surface. Okay, decomposite into surface. To make this one unit, we will choose the site and create plate. Okay, and assign it sheet by row. Then create plate and assign it sheet by row. Then assign it and click yameen, right click and create plate, assign sheet by row. Okay, I guess this side, we click on it, right click, create plate and assign it sheet by row. You can see many information about this, every stage, calculation type, time, element, decomposition, maximum step, everything about every stage. Here you can read it. We just waiting. If it P1, that's mean okay. I waiting for my, and you can get your result